Come take a ride with me in the 2026 Toyota Tacoma SR5. All my Tacoma lovers out there, this one's for you. This is the 2026 SR5 4x4 in Heritage Blue. This is a beautiful color. I only saw this on the 4Runner, and I wasn't aware that they were putting it on the 2026 Toyota Tacoma. They say the Tacoma is the #1 resale value holding vehicle in the country right now. It used to be the Jeep Wrangler, but this passed it. Sitting up high. All my Tacoma customers said they finally got the transmission right in the new model. It took us some time, but they say it's smooth, it's quiet. There's not lag in the performance or in the power when you step on the accelerator. Me personally, I love the SR5s because you can hit the ECT power button. Changes how the transmission reacts, responds. It's a lot smoother. I know we're on a flat road right now, but you can feel the difference in the throttle and the transmission and everything. I love it. I need to slow down because it doesn't even feel like I'm going as fast as I'm going. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It has the Toyota Safety Sense, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, road sign tracing assist, pedestrian alert, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. This does have the push button with a smart key, so you can't lock your key inside the car for all of those. All you drivers that do that every once in a while. It's a really nice riding truck. It really is. I'm gonna hit a U-turn at this T just to show you how tight the turning radius is on this thing. You're going from the previous generations, which have hydraulic power steering. Now you have electronic power steering that enables the hold feature, which I use a lot of, and it increases the turning radius on this. And look at that. Oh my gosh. You could also turn this thing with pretty much your pinky. Guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share it with a fellow Toyota lover or a Tacoma driver or a truck enthusiast. Make sure that you stick around and, like I said, subscribe so you get all the latest updates on all the new models, all the tips and tricks on all the Toyota products. Thank you guys for watching. You'll see me in the next one, guys. Have a good one.